Well, good morning to you. Today is Tuesday. And it is a beautifully sunny day outside. And I'm in filming. So this is this is the setup that I have for filming. I've got my ring light. It looks down onto my mat. This is what I'm going to be demoing. Going to be these earrings. So I'm just getting ready to do my demo for that, film my demo. Had a great time yesterday on the telly. Like I say, it's absolutely glorious out here. Look at this. I mean, it's still a bit chilly like, but it's really, really beautiful outside. Just nice. So that is what I've got planned for today. And that's it really. So, oh, hello, Bodhi. Here she is, look. Bodhi. Hello. It's only me coming in from the garden. So, that's it. Might as well show you my outfit of the day. So today's outfit of the day is my workout loungy style trousers. I have got it's dark up here. I would put my light on, but obviously that's downstairs. I've got my Gucci top, got just a green top on the bottom, and then I've got my my combat boots. So that is today's outfit of the day. There you go. It's a bit better. You can see that better. So I'll come in a bit more. It's my Gucci top. I got this from the charity shop. 100% silk. So I think I paid £3 for it. So I've kind of got like a shell suit situation going on. So that is today's outfit of the day. Hello everybody. I finished work a little while ago. I'm in my bed. Well, I'm on my bed. Just had to have a little sleep. I just feel a bit pooped for some reason. So I might as well show you what I'm wearing. So obviously I've got my my beret ooh la la on. I've got my polymer clay earrings that I made. I've got a polka dot top. And I've got my cut off Levi's and some slippers. That's what I've got on today. So in the post today, I shall show you, I got this. I subscribed to this box. It's the glossy box, and I've been subscribed to it for well over a year now, probably about 2 years now. And so I just thought I would show you what I get in it. Each month you get like a different type box. This month it was either a zebra print, which I got, or a leopard print, I think. If I show you, it was either that one or that one. So I'm going to show you what I got inside the box. And here is said box. Some lovely tissue paper. I use these for wrapping up Christmas presents and stuff at Christmas, obviously. So firstly, what we got in this box was a highlighter here. So I'm going to try all of these things out as well. So I got this highlighter. So I'll probably do that in another video for my Thursday upload. And then we got this paw it's for lips, goodness me, lips, cheeks, a hint of a tint. It's in yellow. No, this isn't yellow. This is orange. So I got that. I got mud masky, and it's a hair mask. Got one of those. We've got a face mask, which is always good. And then a palette, which has come in this lovely packaging. Let's see if I can open it with one hand. Nope. And a lot of these things are cruelty-free. I think all of them are cruelty-free, actually. Put that down. Open that up. Gosh, this is riveting for you, isn't it? I'll take that away. And it's just a nice neutrals palette. So what I might do is I might do a look with this and incorporating some of the other things like the highlighter and stuff like that. So I might do a look with that and do a whole kind of get ready with me type thing. But yeah, so that's what I've got today. Not a lot's happening. As I say, I'm not feeling 100% today. So I think it's getting to that time of the month. I'm getting to that age now. When I get to that time of the month, it just knocks me for six. And I'm just sick of it now. So please, can it be over? So I shall see you later on, possibly. Hello, everybody. So today is Thursday and I have been at work this morning. I've just finished uploading and filming a video for YouTube for today. It's going to be a two-parter. So by the time you see this video, the first part will be out, but the second part will be up on Thursday. So it is basically, I am doing tie-dye. So I'm just tie-dyeing stuff. If I put you up there, I'm just going to make myself a cup of tea. So I'm literally just tie-dyeing stuff. And see if I can prop you up. There we go. Excuse me. So I thought I would have a go again at tie-dyeing because it just didn't turn out right the first time. So I bought a better bleach. I bought Domestos, and well, I'm not going to say what happened because you'll have to watch the video on Thursday, won't you? So that is what I have done today. In about 15-20 minutes, half an hour, we'll be going out for our walk. We've now been upgraded. We can go out for as many walks as we like, or as many bits of activity. So that's pretty cool. And that's it really. Just another couple of days left and then it'll be the weekend. I've sent off all of my videos for Jewellery Maker. So I shall be on the mid-show on Jewellery Maker on Tuesday via satellite link. And yeah, that's it really. Tom's just come back with the dog food. So I'm going to have this coffee and then we'll probably take the dog out. So I might bring you with me. See you in a bit. Oh, so good. Good morning. It is Sunday and it's a lovely, well, it's not raining. She's desperate to go out for a walk, so that's what we're doing. Just gonna close that. Today, don't know what we're doing. We're not doing much. We're going to have a nice roast dinner. Yep. And some days you just feel like being a little bit extra, and today is one of those days. I am wearing my Escada blazer, my Moschino, in brackets, inverted commas, t-shirt, my homemade earrings, and I've got pink socks with my sandals and cycling shorts. Why not? Let's go. If you're going to go 80s, you're going to go 80s, aren't you? And I thought, well, I'll just stick a suit jacket on as well, just to fashion up the look, so to speak. I've got the man priorities. So that's what we are doing today, I think. So I'll probably show us cooking our roast dinner. I didn't vlog the other 2 days, so obviously just having a rest. So I shall see you later. Hello, hello. Today is Monday, and this morning I've been upcycling. I've been upcycling like crazy. I've upcycled some shoes. I've upcycled a top. Well, actually, it was a play suit that I'd already upcycled, but I didn't like it. And I made a belt from leather trousers. So I've been... Oh, and I made these leather earrings as well from the leather trousers too. So I've been on an upcycling kick today. So that's what I've been up to. I'm going to take the old DOG out in a minute, because it's the afternoon. I think she's out here somewhere. Is she? Oh yes, there she is. I won't show you down, but she's down the alleyway. So I really need to cut my grass. I really do. So that's what we're up to today. Yeah. Here she comes. Come on in, lovely. So that's what we're up to today. I've really enjoyed it, actually. I need to wash my hair, so it's not in the best of ways at the moment. Where do you go? What do you do? What do you do? Isn't she beautiful? So I am going to take the dog out, and that is me finishing up, I think, for the week. For my week vlog. Oh, my outfit of the day. I've literally just got on a pair of jeans, white top, the belt that it's like an Obi type belt with the leather trousers. There we go. And Converse. And my Escada jacket again. This, I love this. Love this so much. And as I say, you know, I tried to curl it a little bit, just to put a little bit of a wave in it, because it needs washed. It really needs washed. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this week, and stay tuned for Thursday's video, because then you can see the reveal of the dyeing and stuff that I've been doing. I might actually even show you some of the other upcycles that I've been doing as well. So stay tuned for that. I am on Jewelry Maker on Tuesday, which will be the day that this video goes up. So if you want to tune in, then you can do. I'm on the mid show, and then that's it really. So I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. You look after yourselves, you look after everybody else. The world is your catwalk. And remember, keep creating. Oh, that's scary. Bye.